Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to log out account on Pinterest. Maybe you want to switch accounts or you simply want to log out for security reasons. So today I'm going to show you how to log out account on Pinterest. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on this profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. On this page, tap on the three dots icon located at the top right corner. A menu will appear, and here you should select this settings option. On this window, under action section, you can now see this log out option. Since you wanted to log out of your account, you simply need to tap on this option. After that, you now have successfully logged out of your Pinterest account, and you are now directed to the login page. Remember to always log out when you are finished using the app, especially if you are using a shared device or a public computer. There you go. If you wanted to know how to log out account on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to log out account on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.